Hello everyone, welcome back to Peace, Mind and Body. Today we will be doing Detox Flow, and that's helping your body to open, to improve flexibility, boosting your immune system, enhancing your digestive system. And when your body's free from all that energy, toxic energy, your muscles, your joints are going to feel lighter, and you feel more clarity. And that's what the breath in the moment does. Changes your frequency, changes your mood enhancing. So are you ready to begin? All right. Palms open to receive good energy, palms down to ground you. Taking a deep breath in through the nose, and then slowly exhaling out, release any toxic energy that you might feel in the body. And again, inhale through the nose, and then slowly exhale out from the mouth. Beautiful. Inhale through the nose, and then slowly exhale. One more time. And relax your joints. Good. Now, let's begin with cat and cow. Shoulders underneath the wrists, knee under the hip. Inhale as you look up to the ceiling. Exhale, rounding as you arch your back. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, rounding. One more time. Okay, back to center. Coming into downward dog. And you're just going to bring your heels down, lengthening the spine, and breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more. Okay, I'm gonna walk to the front of the mat, right, left, and let's do a ragdoll. And then they're gonna twist to the right. Inhale, exhale, and then back to center. And then inhale, exhale. You're doing great. And back to center. Good. Hands on your hips, bend the knee, rising up. Good. Coming into chair pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Hands to heart. Take your left elbow to the right and twist to the side. Open your chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep looking, keep stretching, keep breathing. Get back to center, and then bringing your arms straight up and strengthening your spine, and then hands to heart. Now we're going to take the right elbow to the other side and twist. Chair twists. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathing out. Get back to center, bend the knee, and a circle up. Inhale, all that great energy boosting you, waking up all your joints and muscles. Okay, from here, let's go take your left leg back, coming into warrior two position. Knee over the ankle, back foot. We're going to straighten the front leg, move forward, and then come down to triangle. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. Good. Now bring your left hand down. We're going to do triangle reverse. And then you can bend the knee slightly if you need to, or keep it straight. And then inhale, exhale. Inhaling, exhaling. Breathe, keep going. And one more breath. Good, come down. And then back to warrior two. Swing that left arm. And then from your hands to heart, move that back leg to 45, front leg to 90. Coming into warrior two, straighten the front leg, move forward, come down, and breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. 3 more. Good, now bring the right hand down, and then take that left arm, you can bend the knee slightly, or straight, and bring your arm straight up, and twist. Breathe in, breathe out. Good, bringing your hands down, back to warrior two. Good, how do you feel? Good, hands to heart, back to center. Heel toe out of it. We're going to back to mountain. Inhale, exhale. We're going to bring your arms straight up, to the right, and to the left. And then forward fold. Ending at the hip, palms flat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now take your right leg back, left to follow, and downward dog. Coming to plank, and then on the knee. So now we're going to come into Sphinx pose. And inhale, exhale. You're going to turn your head to the left, back to center, and turn your head to the other side. Back to center to the other side. And to the side. Good. Now come up a little bit higher and open up the up dog. And then turn. If it's too much, you can go back to Sphinx. And if you hear your stomach growling, it's unblocking. Get back to center. Child's pose. Bring the knees to the edge of the mat. Your toes are together. You're going to sink in and bring your arms straight up, head down, or forehead down. Again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just giving a moment to yourself also helps to go within, feel your cup up, always feeling your cup up. Okay, my friends, let's go ahead and sit up. Sitting on your sit bone, crossing your legs, seated position, and inhale all the way up, and then twist to the right, and then breathe in, breathe out. Gentle releasing, and then as you're detoxing, you can feel the body lighter, and just say, I am clean, I am renewed, I am light. And then that impresses your subconscious mind and becomes a new program. Bringing your arms straight up. And then exhale to the other side. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. and back to center. Good. All right, now lay down. And spine flat. Knee underneath the hips. You're going to supine position to the right. Your arms extended out. Turn your head where the knee side is. And open up your obliques and twist and smile. Draining the lymph and refreshing your body. Just saying, I am clean. I am renewed. I am light. Back to center on the side. And stacking together, head to the side, open. And then back to center. Good. Now let's go ahead. Happy baby. All right. Hold the toe. Bring it to the right and bring it to the left. Rocking back and forth. And cleansing and releasing. Breathe. I like to stretch my leg out. That feels so good to me too. Opens my hip joints. And then do the other side. And then rock back and forth, back and forth. Good. Now, let's go ahead. Turn to your left or right side. We're going to go to the wall. This is, again, helping your pH level, helping your anxiety, your fears. It's all the blood flows and draining your lymph gland. Okay, now all the way up and relax here. You can place your hands on your heart and the belly and just relax here for 2 minutes. I have a clock here, so I'm going to see how we're doing. Very good. Yeah, we're doing great. And just say, I am calm. I center myself within. I am peace. I am strength. I am valued. I am safe, protected, and trust the process. I am seeing myself. When you are at peace within yourself, the peace comes to you. Through thankfulness, gratitude, self-love, this is how you're filling your cup up. Then it attracts to you whatever you're looking in life for. Now, go ahead and bend the knee. You can stay longer if you like. It's better if you did longer. All right, sitting on. Cross your legs if you like, or you can sit there. Take a deep breath in. And then go, I believe in myself. I believe that everything is happening for my highest good. I trust the process. I believe. All right, my friends, until next time, light and love to you guys.